Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm called Rhoda Munjo, and today I will be showing you an important tip on how to take care of your knees and elbows. Oftentimes care in this area is overlooked, but we're about to change that with our lemongrass green tea scrub. So guys, sit put, feel comfortable and watch this video right to the end. So guys, in this DIY, we are using sugar as our exfoliant to help scrub off those dead cells and reveal new cells underneath. Secondly, we'll be using lemongrass and green tea extract, which contains vitamin C to help us lighten the dark patches in these areas. And lastly, we'll be using coconut oil, which will help us moisturize these areas. So after you apply the scrub, you can use warm water to wash the area, or you can use a clean damp cloth to clean off the scrub, and afterwards apply your moisturizer. But before I forget, you can use lemon as a substitute to the lemongrass and green tea extract. Use this scrub at most twice a week and you will see a great difference as time goes on. So guys, this is my lemongrass green tea extract. If you'd like to learn how I made it, I'll have the video linked above. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching to the end, and until next time, bye.